Have you ever wondered if it's possible to invest without consistently worrying whether the market is going to go up or down? Most investors are taught one simple rule: buy quality investments and hope they appreciate over time. While that approach has worked historically, it also means your portfolio is largely dependent on market direction. But what if there is another way? Today, we're going to explore the market-neutral investing strategies designed to reduce dependency on overall market direction and instead seek opportunities from pricing inefficiencies, volatility, and disciplined risk management. Hey, it's Frank Nagy and welcome to my channel where we help investors understand various market environments, risk management, and alternative investment strategies. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. At its core, market neutral investing attempts to remove or significantly reduce exposure to broad market movement. Instead of focusing and betting that stocks will rise or fall, the objective is to generate returns from other factors. Think of it like this. Traditional investing asks this one question: will the market go higher? Market neutral investing asks, where are the opportunities regardless of market direction? The goal isn't to predict the next bull or bear market. It is to construct positions that are less influenced by whether the S&P 500 gains 2% or loses 2%. Markets are unpredictable. Economic reports, interest rate decisions, corporate earnings, geopolitical events, all of these are very unpredictable. But any one of these can dramatically change investor sentiment overnight. Trying to correctly predict every market move is extremely difficult. Market neutral strategies attempt to reduce that uncertainty by focusing on probabilities and risk management rather than prediction. This is one of many strategies Theta Bridge Capital Management applies when managing non-directional investment portfolios, with a focus on risk management and market analysis. The firm's objective is to develop structured investment approaches grounded in portfolio construction, risk control, and long-term capital growth. There are several ways market-neutral managers seek opportunities. One approach is identifying temporary pricing inefficiencies. Another is taking advantage of changes in market volatility. Some strategies focus on relationships between different securities. Others use carefully structured derivatives like options designed to benefit from the passage of time or changing market conditions. The important point is that the return driver isn't simply the market went up. Instead, multiple independent factors can contribute to the performance. Perhaps the biggest advantage of market neutral investing isn't the strategy itself, it's the emphasis on risk management. Professional managers often define their maximum risk before entering any position. They determine position size carefully. They diversify across multiple trades. They establish exit points before emotions become involved. Rather than asking how much can I make, they first ask how much could I lose. That shift mindset is one of the defining characteristics of a disciplined investment manager. Every investment strategy comes with risk. Market neutral investing is not designed to eliminate risk. Instead, it's designed to manage and control certain types of risk. There can still be losses from unexpected volatility, pricing change, liquidity events, or other model assumptions that don't perform as expected. Risk isn't removed, it's managed. That's an important distinction. Market neutral investing isn't intended to reduce or replace traditional investing. Instead, many investors use it as one of many components of a diversified portfolio. For example, someone may have long-term investments in stocks and bonds while allocating a portion of their portfolio to alternative strategies to seek that different correlation between their investments. The objective is diversification. Different strategies may perform differently under different market environments. One of the most misunderstood concepts in investing is volatility. Many investors think volatility is something for fear. Professional investors often view volatility differently. Volatility creates uncertainty, but uncertainty also creates opportunity. When markets become overly optimistic or overly fearful, prices can temporarily become inefficient. Some market neutral strategies are specifically designed to capitalize during these periods while maintaining defined levels of risk. Rather than avoiding volatility altogether, experienced managers often seek to understand and incorporate it in their investment process. No investment strategy wins every month. No strategy performs best in every market environment. The objective of market neutral investing is consistency through disciplined execution, careful portfolio construction, and rigorous risk management. And over time, avoiding large drawdowns can be just as important as generating attractive returns. Protecting capital allows investors to remain invested and continue to compound over the long term. Market neutral investing isn't about predicting markets, it's about managing risk. For investors interested in alternative investment approaches, understanding market neutral strategies and opportunities can provide a valuable perspective beyond traditional buy and hold investing. To learn more about Theta Bridge Capital Management and our investment strategies, risk management approach, and portfolio construction process, click on the links below in the description box.